Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel 3D Multimedia. So today let us make an app using ChatGPT. Let's now go to ChatGPT. I've already created an account. So if you don't have an account in ChatGPT, you can create an account. And then I'm going to type the prompt. I want to create a weather app. So generate HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. And let us wait for a few seconds for it to give the code. Okay. So now the code has been generated. So let us now go to Code Pen Online Editor. So you can create an account in this website. Okay. Now, since I have already created an account, so I'm going to directly access the online editor. So you haven't created any pens yet. So just click on this the green color button so that you will get the empty editors here for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now copy the codes. Copy the code of HTML and paste it here. Copy the code of CSS. Just paste it here. Then copy the code of JavaScript and paste it in the JavaScript editor. Okay, so now you can see that the CSS has been displayed here. There's a small error here in this. Okay, just remove the document type and just keep it as HTML. Okay, it's done. Now here, let's just type London, Great Britain. Okay, and just click on Get Weather. Okay, so it will show you like an error here. So since we have not replaced the API key in this location, you can see here the ChatGPT has also given that instruction to us. Okay, so remember to replace your API key with your actual open weather map API key in the JavaScript. So we need to go into this website, which is referred as open weather map. So the website name is openweathermap.org. Just open the website. Create an account in this website. Okay. You can come here to sign in. You will get this dialog box. Okay. Just click on create an account and fill your details and register in this account. Since I already have the account, so I'm just going to sign in into this account. Okay, once the signing process is done successfully, now you can see here, this particular website will give you a default API key as soon as you have created an account. To see your API key, you need to go to your profile section and under my API keys, you'll be able to find your API key. But if you want to create a new API key, that is also possible. Just come to this place and just type anything. So here I'm going to type as Chennai. Okay, that's the name of my API key, and I'll click on generate and then click here on create API key form. So a new API key was created successfully here. So we can copy this and we can paste it here under this line constant API key, but this API key will take some time to activate. So I'll copy the default one itself, okay, and paste it in this line. So it got updated. If you want to save also, you can just click on save. Okay, just come back here and type London, Great Britain. So this is the format, city along with the country. Just click on get weather. So now you can see the weather has been displayed here. So the temperature is 13.49 degrees Celsius and weather is clouds. Okay, so we want the same thing to be converted into an app, and then we have to run that in our mobile. Since here in the CSS I have not added any background, so that's why you have an empty background. So I would like to add an image to the background. For that we need to modify the CSS again. So let's go back to ChatGPT and ask the ChatGPT to provide a background image for CSS. Okay, so this is the modified CSS code. So you can see here in this URL, you can use any image what you want. You can add in this particular link CSS, copy this code completely, go back to CSS code. Let us remove the existing code and place a new code. So let us go to some website like unsplash.com. So you can choose any image you want. After coming to this website, you can just type as weather. So I'm going to use this image. So you can right click the image and choose copy image address. Come back here and paste in this particular line of CSS. Okay, now you can see that there's a background for this app. Okay, now we have this model of this app. Like this is how it is going to work. So we need to convert this particular uh, concept to a online website. Okay, so from the online website we will convert into the app finally. So I want this files to be pasted in a text pad and to be saved inside a folder. Then we will zip that folder and then we will go to a website where we have to upload this zip folder. Okay, so let us copy all these codes one by one. So I've created a folder here where I'm going to create 3 text documents. Okay, the first text document, I will open that, and this is a place where I'm going to paste the HTML code. Control A and Control C for copy. Control A is for selecting and Control C is for copying. Just come back here and paste the code and save the file as okay index.html. Okay, now let's go back to the folder. Now we are going to open the another text document where we need to paste this CSS. So Control A is for selecting the whole lines and Control C is for copying. And in this document, we'll use Control V to paste it. Okay. And this file should be, it's a CSS file, right? So we should save this as styles. Okay. So this will be saved as CSS file. Then we will open the another text document. We are going to paste the JavaScript here. So Control A, Control C, and finally Control V in this document. So file, save as. So the name of this file is going to be script.js. Okay, save the file. Then the names what we have provided is based on what we have in our HTML. So you can see here. So you have a JavaScript, right? So which links from the HTML. So that's why the same name we have provided there. And similarly here, and for CSS, we named the file as styles.css. That is what it is available here in HTML code. Okay, so this is done. Now you can delete all the other unwanted files. Okay, so now let us select all the 3 files, right click and come to send to and click on compress zip folder. Our zipped file. Now let us go back to the web browser and let us type tiny host website. So it is tiny tiny dot host host. So once you have created an account in this website, you will get this web page where you can upload the file. Click on upload and click upload file. Choose the zipped file. Click on open. So the zip file has been uploaded now. You need to give some name. So you can choose any name. So I'll choose weather. You can choose some other different domain, but for that you have to upgrade. So we'll use the free version itself. Okay, just click on publish. Okay, so it says that the link name is already taken. Okay, so we'll click on try again, and this time let me use something like, okay, weather apt application. Okay, let's click on publish. Okay, so this name is available for us, and so we got it. Okay, so let us click on view site. So now, so the interface what we have created has been published online. So if you want to check again, just type, okay, Great Britain, get weather. Okay, so this is how our background will be there in the app, and this is how the interface will be there. We need to convert this online interface to our app. So for that, let us go into app website. Okay, so once you're in this website, make sure that you get an account in this website. Okay, just click on get started. So you will be here. Okay, so let me click on login. So if you want, you can just click on register. So as soon as you have registered, you will be in this web page. Just come to the maker option. Okay, so here under the app maker, you need to provide the link which you got it from the tiny host website. Just copy this link, Control C, and come back here and paste it here under this URL. Okay, now you need to give some app name. So it's up to you. So I'm just giving something like, I'm just giving as weather app. Just click on next. Okay, here it is asking us to set an icon. You need to choose an icon which has the resolution of 512 into 512. Less than that, sometimes it will not work for you to set as an icon. So this icon will be the icon for your mobile app. So I'm going to set this as my icon. So I have downloaded that in the Google website. So you can just, if you know any particular website, you can also go into that. Usually you can download from freepic.com. So you can go to that website and search for some weather images and just which has the resolution of 512 into 512. So I'm going to upload this image. Okay, so which has been set it here. Okay, so once this is done, you don't have to do anything else in this. Okay, just come to this make app, click on make app. So this will help us to generate the APK file, and the app is ready. You can come here, this place where you can download the APK file. Click here and then just click here, download all files. There's a zip file which contains my APK. So let us come to this folder, Android, and this is our APK file. So there are two ways where you can take this file and use it in your mobile. Either you connect your laptop to mobile with a USB cable and copy this file to some location there in your mobile, and you can run that, or else you can go into Google Drive where you can paste this APK in Google Drive and go back to your mobile and open Google Drive, okay, and then we can install it. So I'll copy this to my Google Drive. So now I'm in my Google Drive, and let me drag and drop it inside my Google Drive. So now the APK file has got uploaded. So now I'll go to my mobile. I'll open the same account, Google Drive, where I have this APK file. So now I'm going to cast my mobile screen into my laptop. So if you want to know how to do this, you can watch my video on this, like how to cast the phone screen into PC. So now you can see that I have mirrored my phone screen to my laptop. I'm going to access my drive, and you can see the APK file. So I'm going to install this APK file into my mobile. So it's asking us, do you want to install this application? Just click on install. Okay, so here it is asking us to scan the app and don't install the app. Just go to more details and you have an option called install without scanning. So the app is now installed. Click on open. So now our app is ready. You can see that we have a background, and now you can enter any city name. So let me choose Chennai, India, and click on get weather. So now you can see the temperature and weather. So this was a simple app catered through ChatGPT. So if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel 3D Multimedia. Thank you.